Hello, Class 5-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's Language Arts lesson in Period 2 on Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. In Period 1, we had our grammar lesson over subject and object pronouns. Now we are going to look at our reading lesson. We read the art lesson last week, and now we are going to be working out of our workbook on pages 208 and 209. Okay? So you remember in the art lesson last week, we read all about little Tommy and how he loved drawing pictures in school, and he loved drawing pictures, and his family would put his pictures up everywhere around the house, and his father put them up at his job, right? And we read about how Tommy was excited for the art teacher to come to his school. But then when the art teacher came, he wasn't too excited to get one piece of paper, and he wasn't so excited about drawing pilgrims, remember? And he wanted to use his own crayons, right? So today, as we work on page 208, we are only going to do the first part, the art lesson. And we're going to answer these two questions here, okay? So this is titled Talent Show. We need to fill in the chart as we read the stories. So in this unit, we have 3 stories: the art lesson, Moses goes to a concert, and the school mural. We're only looking at the art lesson today. Now, it says, what types of talents did you read about in this theme? So, in the art lesson, what is Tommy's talent? Well, do we remember? Tommy likes to do what? So if you look at page 353, it says, Tommy knew he wanted to be an artist when he grew up. He drew pictures everywhere he went. It was his favorite thing to do, right? So what types of talents did you read about in this theme? For the art lesson, we can write, Tommy drew pictures everywhere he went. And we'll make this one big sentence because it was his favorite thing to do. Okay? Now let's look at the next question. How did talent and hard work help some of the characters in this theme? Well, let's look. And you remember, Tommy had twin cousins, right? So it says his twin cousins, who were already grown up, were in art school learning to be real artists. So they worked hard, and now they are in art school, right? So that's one sentence we could write. Tommy's twin cousins were in art school. Okay, but what about Tommy? Tommy worked really hard too, didn't he? He did. So Tommy drew and drew and drew and drew and drew, right? He kept drawing as a child, and when he became an adult, he's still drawing. So he's an artist, he's an illustrator. So Tommy grew up to be an illustrator and an author. Tommy grew up to be an illustrator and author. There we go. He's very talented, right? So that takes care of this part here on this page. And what we will do is we will continue to fill this section out for each story that we read right at the beginning. So now we're done with page 208. We can go on ahead to page 209. This is talented words. Our phonics skill are vowel pairs: OO, EW, UE, and OU. The directions say to write the word from the box that completes each sentence. Let's look at the word in the word bank. Please repeat after me. Through, through. Clues, clues. Flew, flew. Moon, moon. Soup, soup. Please listen as I read each sentence. 1. Carla knows all about the stars and blank. Someday she might be an. 2. Sal likes to follow blank to solve a mystery. Sal thinks he would like to be a. 3. Keisha likes to make blank. She wants to be a. 4. Yesterday, Sam blanked the ball really far. He thinks he would like to be a. 5. When Amy went on vacation, she blanked on a plane. Now she is sure she wants to be a. Now let's do one together. Number 1. Carla knows all about the stars and moon. M-O-O-N. I'm going to cross that out. Someday she might be an. So what do you think she wants to be in the future? I'm going to draw a line here, or a line above her. What do you think she wants to be? Hint, it starts with an A. Okay. For number 2, I'm going to draw a line here. Sal thinks he would like to be a. Hint, it starts with a D. For number 3, she wants to be a. Starts with a C. For number 4, he thinks he would like to be a. These are little extra activity here I'm putting. Hint, starts with a P. And finally, Now she is sure she wants to be a, I'll put that here, starts with a P. Okay? So for numbers 2 through 5, choose the words from the word bank that go in the blanks, and then tell me the jobs they want to have. Okay, I gave you the first letter here as clues to help you. And we'll check the answers tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to email Mr. Waterman. Thank you guys very much for all of your hard work. Please remember, if you have any questions at any time, you can email me. I'm more than happy to help and answer any of your questions. Have a wonderful, wonderful day of studying, and please remember that Thursday is going to be our spelling day. We will have a spelling lesson tomorrow. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Bye-bye for now.